Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's a quick way to show how to make some sliders. As you can see, I have the chicken that I prepared before. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me, share with a friend, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell for more videos. Remember that chicken I made? Well, here's a quick way where you can make some sliders. This is my husband who's making them. He absolutely loved these. And also this is great for baby showers. It's great for get-togethers. It's great for funerals. Again, another appetizer that I want to share with you guys. This may be the last appetizer for now that I'm sharing with you all, but that is 4 videos on how to make some quick appetizers for any kind of parties or events you might have. And like I said, this also worked great for like a snack as well. My husband absolutely loved to eat this, and so does my kids. So he's just gonna take a piece of bread. He cut all the corners off. Now he's putting some Laughing Cow cheese on there. He's going to spread it all over the bread. So you want to make sure you have plenty of Laughing Cow cheese, and Laughing Cow cheese is so delicious. And if you don't have that, no worries. If you have some cream cheese, that will work as well. You can put some cream cheese on your bread. Put as much as you want. There's no limit to how much you should put. So yeah, you can put as much cream cheese or Laughing Cow cheese as you want. And again, guys, if you have not seen how I prepared this chicken, I'll put the link in the description box, and I'll put a little information, and you can just click on it. So all you have to do is put the meat in the center of your bread. Pack as much meat as you want. Just make sure it's nice and neat. And then after that, you can flip your bread over. It's very easy, guys. It's really not hard at all. And then you're going to cut it in any shape that you want. My husband cut his in a triangular shape 2 times, so he ended up getting 4 little sandwiches with that, with that set of bread right there. And these again work really well at baby showers, or if you have a family that passed away, it could be another way to serve the guests after they come back from the cemetery. Because I remember as a kid, we used to have this a lot at church whenever there was an event like that going on. And again, it serves great for a little snack. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.